Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 12, Controlling Anger. A father noticed that his son could not control his anger. He would often lose his temper and say whatever came to his mouth. His father came up with a plan. He gave his son some nails and a hammer, asking him to knock a nail into the fence each time he said something rude. The first week, he used up most of the nails. The next week, he used fewer, and so on, till he did not need to hammer in any nails. Now his father asked him to remove a nail each day. He didn't lose his temper. The boy did as asked, till he had slowly removed all the nails. His father then showed him all the holes left in the fence. He taught his son a moral, that once you say something rude, you may stop doing so later, but the damage remains forever. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.